The Lifepro RejuvaWrap Sauna Blanket offers impressive far-infrared heat penetration, reaching up to 1.5 inches into muscles and body tissue for effective muscle relief and relaxation. With 9 adjustable heat levels ranging from 95 to 176 degrees Fahrenheit, users can tailor their sessions to their personal comfort and wellness goals. Its compact size and lightweight design, at just over 16 pounds, make it easily portable, while the quick heat-up feature ensures you can start your relaxation session in just 10 to 15 minutes. The sauna blanket is available in 3 models and 5 vibrant colors, allowing you to choose the perfect style and functionality for your needs. Whether you prefer standard X with arm zippers or Pro with additional crystal layers. Durable materials like the PU leather exterior and waterproof PVC interior ensure easy cleaning and maintenance, making it convenient to keep the sauna blanket in top condition. Complete with a heat controller, thermal wraps, face towel, and travel bag, the Lifepro RejuvaWrap provides everything needed for a rejuvenating sauna experience at home or on the go.